Gary's Mod is a sandbox game, but when playing at 1 in the morning, it becomes a simulator for stupidity,
Like, hold on, stop the bit.
explosions,
What?
and physics that simply shouldn't exist.
Oh.
Sit back, relax, and watch the catastrophe begin.
Quit that. He's had enough. He's had enough.
Hold on.
Let's get. Oh, Ben. Ben.
What the fuck?
My bad.
Okay.
Hey. Nuclear bomb. What happened? What's happening?
He's fine. Nope. What? Where'd the boat go?
The boat.
Where's the engine on, sir?
Okay, yeah, that works.
Who took a shit on the floor? Did you take a shit on the floor?
No.
What?
Yeah, let's go with that.
I think this is unsafe. It's like a Beyblade, bro. You see this shit? Yeah, I'd not just tell you to shut the fuck up.
Oh!
Thank you.
That was an accident.
Not am I.
Why is it so bouncy? Like my wiener.
No, it isn't. We talking about your wiener. What the fuck are you doing?
Why are you spinning me?
I ain't doing nothing.
What? You geeking.
I didn't.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? You know, that's how they did back in the day. Yeah, that's what I would have did.
Help. That was weird. Well, that's also weird. What are the wheels doing? Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
What was your plan? What were you doing there?
I don't like listen. There was a plan. I just didn't know of it yet.
That's dangerous, bro.
No, it isn't. But being such a win.
Is it on its side now?
Oh no, I wouldn't go near it.
Why not?
Oh shit!
Alright, yeah, sure.
What do you mean, sure?
Yo, mama.
Your mama look like Obama.
Yo, mama look like Michelle
Deep
Obama.
drama. Your mama look
Michelle
like an
Obama,
Obama.
smash her pass. Oh, Barack Obama, smash her pass. KSI, smash her pass. My bad, bro. I didn't do anything. Were
Oh,
those cluster
shit.
bombs?
No, they were bombs that were made in a bomb factory.
That's what happened to cluster.
They just like I don't know why they did it. You know? Yeah.
Anything about the Whitman. Okay, I just wanted to show you my whip.
What does the whip look like?
It's gone now.
I don't think it is. It should be somewhere.
I will use magic. Wow.
It sucks.
Oh,
Did you
oh.
see it? On the left side of the door frame, barely.
My car.
That's, oh shit! Does it want a cheeseburger? McDonald's.
Stop. What are you trying to try, bro?
It's even like, hold on, stop the bit.
Stop. I'm just trying to drive, bro.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
My whip.
This thing,
Stop.
this thing
It's
even-
my whip.
what, it even,
It's my whip, bro.
it even flavored like an Olympic cockle.
Get away
Bruh.
from me.
I wouldn't believe you. Oh shit. Cheeseburger. You want a cheeseburger?
No. I'm just trying to drive.
Okay, here,
You're
I'll help
scaring
you.
my family.
What fucking family?
Okay.
Need some nitro on that thing?
No. Okay.
Did it turn off? Why is it still going?
Oh my goodness, I'm at 3 FPS.
Here, I got your whip.
No, it's fine. I'm already driving my whip.
No, I got an idea. So you can keep all your whips together. No, Rico, you ain't seen it.
In, out of my way, bruh.
No. Fine, bro. Fine, I'm just trying to help. Fucking shoot.
哎，咱们禁语呢哈。
Bro, how do you know what they're
禁
saying?
语啦，好的，伊个等个小等你进
I
来
don't know
哎啦，
Chinese.
哎，安尼把细节。
What? Him? What happened?
I didn't do it.
I didn't ask that. I asked what happened.
I don't know, because I didn't do it. Crazy world we live in, you know? Like crazy people.
Gamer?
Yeah, they call me Rocket Man.
Ultra kill's looking pretty fun.